జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Aranyakanda. There Ravanasura is seeing such a beautiful, pure ashramam. In that ashramam, Maricha is there. How he is looking. Krishnajinadharam Jata Valkaladharinam. He is wearing Krishnajinam and matted hair. Niyata Aharam. While having a control over his food, Maricha living there in that ashramam. Now, Maricha has seen Ravana. Because Ravana is his king, Maricha gave him warm welcome and offered him nice lunch. After the lunch, now Maricha is asking, "Ho Ravana, ho Rakshasa Raja, is everyone safe there in Lanka? Kena ardhena punaha tvam vai iha agataha. Why did you come here again? Please let me know." When Maricha asked like this, Ravana is now responding to Maricha, saying that, "Oh Maricha, please listen to me very carefully. Arthosmi, with so much of desire I came here, and with so much of hope I came here. Bhavan hi paramagatihi. Now you are only the one who can take care of me. I have no other option. Oh Maricha, you know that my brother Khara, Dushana, Surpanakha, Trisira, all these 14,000 demons also were living in Janasthanam in Dandakaranyam. You know that. All these demons and my brothers, they were following my orders and living over there in Janasthanam for long time. And also they were taking care of my orders by Badhamana Munin, by torturing all the Rishis and Munis over there. Oh Maricha, one day they all had to fight with Rama. Then Rama, Tena Sanjata Roshena, with so much of anger, Rama, even without saying any single bad word to our demons, Anuktva Parusham Kinchit, he did not say any bad words, but with his unimaginable parakramam, valor, he killed all of our demons. Like that, Ravana giving the details of what happened in Dandakaranyam to Maricha. Now Ravanasura talking to Maricha, saying that, "Oh Maricha, Rama killed all of our demons. Because of Rama, no Maharshi in Dandakaranyam is getting scared of us now. Oh Maricha, Pitra Nirastaha Kruddhena. Rama was sent out by his father. His father also did not like Rama. Father has so much of anger on Rama. That is why Dasaratha sent Rama along with his wife to Dandakaranyam. Oh Maricha, now you can consider that Rama is killed. Oh Maricha, Rama is worst soldier. Rama has worst character. Dussilaha, Karkasaha, very cruel man, Tikshnaha. Rama is Murkhaha, stupid. Rama is Ajitendriyaha, he has no control over his senses. Rama is unrighteous man. Rama likes to torture all the entities. Oh Maricha, my sister Surpanakha has no animosity with Rama. But you know what Rama did? Because Rama felt that he is strong man, he cut the nose and ears of my sister. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.